allergy problems can be so severe that they just overpower your allergy sprays, your antihistamines, your Montelukast, and that they may get temporary relief if you give them a steroid shot or a steroid pack, but you can't be living on steroids. So at this point, knowledge is key. There's two types of allergies you would look at. The allergies that are in the environment, dust, mold, ragweed, pollen, grass, and then, believe it or not, something that flies below radar and is missed is food allergies. Nowadays, there's blood work that can test people for allergies. And there's a RAST zone 6. RAST means radio allergosorbent testing, and zone 6 is the region we live in the South. And it can test you for the most common inhaled allergies that are out there. Certainly, if you find out you're allergic to dust mites, well, there's things that can be done to try and reduce dust mites in your house. If you're allergic to certain types of mold, well, certainly you can do things to minimize any little mold in your house. If there's certain grasses that you're allergic to, well, you need to be very careful when you cut the grass. Take allergy medication and wear a mask. So prevention is an ounce of prevention's worth a pound of cure when you're trying to avoid environmental allergies. Now, food allergies are incredibly important, and we find often when we get a food allergy profile that patients are allergic to certain foods and they never realized it. I have 3 sons. My oldest son, we found out he's allergic to eggs and peanuts, but he was also allergic to grass. My second son, we found out he's allergic to egg, milk, and peanut. And the baby, who's going into 8th grade now, is allergic to egg and shellfish. We keep them away from these foods and their health improves significantly. For example, how could food allergies show up? As you get older, you can kind of get used to some of the foods you may be allergic to the point where you won't have a dangerous reaction like hives, your tongue swelling up, an asthma attack. However, even though you're getting used to it to the point where you won't have a dangerous reaction, well, what could food allergies do to you? Headache, nasal congestion and drainage, tummy ache, like a little reflux, and my energy's down. You would be surprised. We find people that are 70 years old that we'll give them a list of what foods they're allergic to, and they'll look at the list and say, yeah, these couple of things I stayed away from all my life. Well, keep staying away from it. These couple of items, I never really felt good and it still bothers me, but it ties things together sometimes. Headache, congestion and drainage, reflux, energy feeling down. So food allergy testing, again, an ounce of prevention's worth a pound of cure, and often in people who have allergy symptoms but have never been tested, we will find that there are food allergies out there.